Okay, exercise 34, question 5. Now this is a little bit more complicated. We have a U shape here. So we're going to be asked to calculate the bricks, but the first thing we need to do is to make sure we've got all our figures. So we don't have a figure for side A. So we need to add all of these up. 6.32 plus 2.1 plus 7.95. So that's going to give us a total of 16.37. Okay. Now our B is this from here. Our B is going from here down to here. Don't get mixed up there. So we're going all the way down. So we need to be looking at, this is 14 meters. Okay. We have this side here. We have this side here. There's a figure for that. We have this side here. There's that. Now we've got this side here we don't have, but we can add these two figures, 6.8 and 3.5. So F is going to be here at 10.3. Okay, and then we've got this side, but we don't have this side. So we need to add all of these figures up to give me this side over here. So it's 17.5. Okay, so now I will go around and label it with intos and overs. Into, over, into, over, into, over, into, over. Now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so we've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So the first thing we're doing is the length of the wall. Then we're going to get the area. Then we're going to get the bricks. Then we're going to add, it says waste here, so breakages, yeah. Okay, so when we're going here, right, so this is where our internal corners are on this here and here, but something happens. So I'm going to go around this one slowly because this is a little bit trickier. So A, I've got 16.37 and I'm going to minus 0.11. B is 14 and I'm minusing 0.11. C, I'm going to be doing 7.95 minus 0.11. Now D, I'm coming up to this side. So let's have a look at D. Originally it's 6.8 and I've just slid it along, so it hasn't changed. So D is 6.8 and I'm minusing 0. E, now E, originally E went from one corner to the other, it was 2.1, but I've actually extended it. So for E, 2.1, I'm going to plus 0.11 because it is a U-shaped. Coming down for F is 10.3, but F has not changed at all. F hasn't changed, so I'm going to be minusing 0. Okay, so then we come to G is 6.32, so we are minusing out normally, and H is 17.5, and we are minusing it. So it's this part in here that we are concerned with for our figures. So we're going to calculate the length of the wall. Okay, so the first one, A, is going to be 16.26. B is 13.89. C is 7.84. D, nice and easy, 6.8. We're going to add, and it's going to be for E 2.21. F is nice and easy, 10.3. G is going to be 6.21, and H is going to be 17.39. Now we need to add all of those up, and we're going to get a figure for the length of this wall of 80.9 meters. Okay. My area is going to be, length times the height. So my length of my wall is 80.9 times the height of my wall. I go back to the question. It's 688, so converted 0.688, and that's going to give me 55.659 meters squared. Now for my bricks, I need to have area times 50 times 1. So I'm taking my area figure, and it's 55.659 times 50 times 1 skin. Now it's 2,782.95. I need to add my breakages or wastage, and it's going to be 10% in the question times 1.1. So I'm going to get an answer of 3,061.2, and my order is going to be 3,062 bricks.